Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. And the interesting thing is that we are now in autumn 2. We're going deep into the winter. We're going towards Christmas. We're actually in the week of Diwali, which is amazing. All the beautiful festivals of light and kindness and friendship. And at Grange, we just have so many celebrations. We even had Halloween at the start of this week to celebrate. So many things happening. And tonight is fireworks. So here we go. We know what we're about at Grange, and we've got to remember this always, because these are our values. This is what keeps us going, because we remember what we're about. We have a great caring attitude. We're always trying our best. We're always learning, especially from our mistakes. We make mistakes, that's human, and actually that's a good way to learn. But when we make a mistake, we learn from our mistake. We're always going for improvement and progress. It's not about getting somewhere. It's about keeping moving forward. It's about keeping on improving and making progress. We use everything we learn to help us to make great choices in life, and we never, ever give up, because we are CC learners. And that is our very own Grange way. And if you are a member of the Grange community, and actually some people have left Grange already or graduated from Grange, and they've taken the CC way with them, because this is something for life. It's like a wonderful, wonderful energy pack. It's CC. It is knowing that what we've got to remember, we've got to remind ourselves. Remember, we've spoken about that in another assembly. We've got the voice of the inner coach inside our head. We're all our own inner coaches, helping us to be our best. And we fill ourselves with confidence. And we say, yes, I will be my best. I can be my best. I do my best. And I believe in myself. And then we have consideration for our beautiful world around us and for everybody's in the world, because we know that kindness is strength, and we know that the more that we give, the more we actually get back. We all grow together. So, Grange people of power, all the new children arriving at Grange, and we've had quite a few new children arriving at Grange this week. It is not easy to arrive at a new school in November, and especially if you are in year 6, for example. We've had at least 2 children I can think of joining us, and if we arrive in November, that is not easy. So the new children who've arrived at Grange, proud of you. You are brave and you inspire us, and we hope that you really settle and feel welcome. Next, our Grange children, who welcome the new children, make them feel safe and happy, because everybody, when they come to a new place, you don't always feel that safe. You don't yet feel that happy. But like our Grange children who've been here before, and they just see a new child and just make them feel safe and happy, well, you give us so much hope. And also, all the children who do CC walking, CC salutes, who spread the CC message, who use the CC message to bring good in their lives and other people's lives, you fill me with inspiration. You are Grange people of power. So, what's our character strength focus? Well, this week we're going to talk about being an ally. And it's really important, because this month is the month of November. And last month in October, we had Black History Month. But at Grange, Black History is not just for 1 month, it carries on. So we are going to talk about what it is to be an ally, a superpower, because it really does make a difference in the world of being an ally. Remember, we know the CC way. We do CC walking at Grange. I hope when we get visitors that they'll notice children walking like this and say, what's that? And we will tell them about our CC way and our CC walking. We do star sitting. I'm hoping that when we get visitors, they'll look and they'll say, wow, look at the way the children sit, and say, yeah, we do star sitting. We sit up straight. We track the speaker. We ask and respond like a scholar. And we respect each other and do not allow ourselves to be distracted. And we all know at Grange that there is no substitute for me. Each one of us, we have a responsibility to live our best life. Nobody else can do that for us. So here are the questions to ponder. So look at these questions to ponder, and then teachers, educators, parents, and carers of Grange, I would pause the video and discuss this, because at Grange we listen to children and we believe in pupil voice. We all have so much to learn from each other. So here are the questions to ponder. Do I know the difference between sympathy and empathy? How are kindness and welcoming someone connected? What do you think when someone says, hey, that's not my problem? And do you truly believe that you can make a positive difference? because there are billions of people in the world. So can each one of us, can you, can me, can we make a difference, a positive difference? So what do we believe at Grange? Now, hopefully you've paused the video and you've had a bit of a discussion. So let me go back to those questions. Sympathy and empathy. Sympathy, I feel sorry for somebody. Empathy, I really feel what they're feeling. There's a big difference. Sympathy, I feel sorry for someone. Okay, a moment I felt sorry and then I go on with my life. But empathy, I really feel for another person. I'm not just going to carry on with my life. I want to help them. I want to support them. I want them to succeed because I really feel what they're feeling. Empathy is a true superpower and a really, really wonderful thing. Sympathy and empathy are the difference between when someone just feels sorry for a moment and then carries on with their life, or actually gets involved and makes a difference. Now, how are kindness and welcoming connected? Well, I just spoke before about so many new children join us at Grange. Local authorities sent me statistics, and they said that actually, if you're thinking about stability, like who are the children who actually go through Grange, right through Grange, from nursery to year 6, that's less than 70% of our children. So if you think of 10 out of 10, 7 out of 10 of our children are yes, they've been here right through Grange, but 3 out of 10 of our children are new, and they've joined somewhere along the line. When you welcome somebody, when you say, this is my home, this is my space, this is my school, this is my place, but you say, come in, you're welcome. I'd like to make you feel safe. I'd like to make you feel happy. That is true kindness. Because it's when somebody walks in, like if you've ever been to like a gathering or a party where you don't know anybody and you walk in the room, it's a scary feeling. And you don't know what's going to happen. But the first person who smiles at you, the first person who is caring, the first person who offers you something to eat, the first person who shows you where you can sit, kindness and welcoming, they're amazing. And that's why the greeting, when you say to somebody, welcome, come inside, and come inside well, it's a very powerful thing, welcome. We say in Arabic, for example, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you, come inside. In this place there is peace. And in this place we'll look after you, we'll care about you, we'll support you. It's such a wonderful thing when you say to somebody, welcome. May your day be a good day. Buenos dias. What do you think when someone says it's not my problem? So that actually if you've ever heard somebody say it's not my problem, doesn't feel very nice, even just to be around that, because that feels very much like I don't care. And at Grange we say we do care. Maybe I don't have the solution. Maybe I have to concentrate on something else. But to just say it's not my problem and walk away from somebody who does have a problem, it's not a very nice way to live one's life. And maybe today they are the person with the problem, but maybe tomorrow it will be me with the problem. And the point is, if we can learn kindness, kindness is actually saying, yeah, your problem is my problem. And even if all I've got to give you is a smile or a word of support, or at least a look that shows that I respect you, but one thing we don't say is, it's not my problem. And can you make a positive difference? Well, the answer is, the truth is, we never realize how much of a difference we make. It could be one smile that just changes a whole person's day. It could be one act of welcoming that changes the whole time that person's, like if you imagine somebody joins us in Grange and their first day you smile at them and you help them to find a place to sit at lunchtime or to be friends with at lunch, you can change their life. You can change their time at Grange. So can you make a positive difference? The answer is always yes. So what do we believe at Grange? Well, we say we have to ask ourselves, who are we? What kind of people are we actually? Are we people of kindness? Are we the kind of people who care about other people? Are we people of consideration? We have to say, what will become of us? Are we people of confidence as well? And who's going to decide? We need to be confident and we need to be considerate, and we need to always be learning so that we can be more and more in control of our lives and be making a difference. So, here's some Grange thoughts. Who are we? Who do we want to be? What do we want to become all the time? What do we want to get to decide? We want to decide that we are allies. And an ally is like a human friend. An ally is somebody who cares about somebody else. It might not be my problem, but because I care about you, I will do something to support you and help you in your problem. That's an ally. Your problem is my problem. And we are all connected in this world because we live in the same world. When we realize that, then we can say, I see you for who you are. I appreciate all of that. That's consideration. I see me for who I am and appreciate all of that. That's my confidence. That's the CC way. And when I see somebody needing support, I'm going to be an ally. Now, October was Black History Month. Racism is still an issue. And racism is an issue because in our minds, sometimes we just grow up with ideas, with thoughts that have just been planted in our minds. And we need to challenge those and say, we truly believe in diversity. You are beautiful and I am beautiful. Not you are beautiful, so therefore I'm not beautiful, or I am beautiful, so therefore you're not beautiful. We are all like a wonderful garden full of flowers and trees, and every plant is beautiful. All of us contribute. No matter our ability, our gender, our color of our skin, our religion, our culture, we are all contributing to this beautiful world. So what we want to be at Grange is diversity champions. And what we also want to be is anti-racists. We do not agree with racist thinking. So here's what we are really saying. Black is beautiful, and a black person should be able, and not just able, but supported and enabled to feel and celebrate Black confidence and joy. And we're saying at Grange, Black History Month, yes, we need that, because unfortunately, for so many decades, for so many centuries, people have forgotten to celebrate Black history, and even worse, in times when racism dominated or racist thoughts dominated, Black history was pushed to the side and tried to be wiped out. But at Grange, we'll say, fine, in October we will double and extra learn about Black history, to know even more about it, and to say, no, we will bring it back so that we know it. But our Black History Month is actually forever. And we are a school that celebrates Black confidence and joy. Now, if you are Black, then what we are saying at Grange, be confident, be joyous, celebrate who you are. What about if you're not Black? What we are saying at Grange is, be an ally, be a person of consideration, be a person who says, I support you, I am a diversity champion, I am an anti-racist, and I support you to be confident and joyous in your celebration of your Blackness. And in that way, all of us have a part to play in this, whether it is as a confident and joyous Black person, or as a confident, joyous ally. And that, children, is really the CC way. Seeing you for who you are, seeing myself for who I am with confidence and consideration. And let's hope that at Grange we can be a school that helps all of us to learn to build a better future for the world, to build a better world. So who are our stars of the week? Well, we have, I think this is the whole of Lister class. You were just amazing. Natalia Vladut Hussein, Darling Nikki, Joshua, Banin, Kishan, so wonderful to see you. Abu, Daria, Adrian R, and Amar, and Nur, and Adam, and Natalia, and Branshika, and Louisa, and Yasin, and Irfan, and Jalal, and Asiya, and Adrian R, and Tiago, and Pfizer, and Ashvini, who the class champions well, and Seacole Jacob, what a great start to the half term. Delia, brilliant start. Zara, amazing. Branshika, fantastic. Amar, Tiago, so proud of you. Subaida, Nightingale, wonderful. Ramla, great start. Rahima, amazing. These are class champions in the first week of the half term. What a great start. And in Tubman, Adib, great start for you. Bavita, amazing. And Medina, brilliant start. Agash, Shana, and Murthiga are our Mandela class champions for the first week in autumn 2. Habiz, Mehdi, and Jalsa are Parks champions for the first week of autumn after. I'm so proud of you. What a great start. Grange House of Water is 4,438. Grange House of Fire, 5,066. You get the swivel for the highest attaining house. Air with 4,659. Earth with 4,952. This is only for 5 days, first week, which gives us a brilliant 19,115 CC points. So really proud of you. That's brilliant. Now, who were the classiest classes of Upper Key State Grange? Well, Parks class, what a great start for you. Tubman class, that's tremendous from you. But the classy class of, sorry, that's a mistake. That's not autumn 1, it's autumn 2. And it's not classiest class, it's classy class of the first week of autumn 2 is Lister class. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Look at you smashing through 2,000 points and classy class. Absolutely so proud of all of you. Brilliant Lister class. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So we're setting ourselves a term target for 250,000. We got in the last half term 136,457. We've already got 19,115. Come on, let's see what we can do. So remember, children of Grange, we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange, we are going to make it. Last half term, and your award is coming hopefully this weekend. I'm going to go pick it up. C. Cole, you were the classiest class of the first half term. Rudolph, you are coming back to Grange for Christmas. We're getting a rail reindeers. They've been booked already. Let's give ourselves a CC salute. That's confidence for myself. Each one of us. Confidence for myself. Be your best. Nobody else can do that for you. Be confident. Believe in yourself. And consideration for our beautiful, look at this beautiful planet of ours and everything inside it. We are people who care, and we're going to make a difference because we all live in the same world. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential at Grange. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.